Okay, in this video we're going to see how we can insert a slide carousel into one of our pages. Now for this one I'm putting it on my catering page. You can put this on whatever page you want to put it on. I'm going to put it above the catering text. I'm going to delete this image that's already there and replace it with an interactive slide carousel. Let me select the word catering. Insert bootstrap components. This can be a carousel. Before, there we are. I could change things on this side. Add text. Change the text. Add images. Replace this placeholder image. But I'm going to go on the code side. It might be a little bit easier. Then you can also see how it works. Okay, so in here we have our div ID carousel. And we have 3 placeholder indicators. Now if I want to make a fourth, I could copy one of the lines and paste it underneath. Keep in mind they go from 0 to 1, 2, and then 3. Next, we have the carousel inner. That's the actual images and captions, and each is in its own div class, and each has a linked image. Now what I'm going to do is replace these images, and I already know what images I want to use. Carousel 1, Carousel 2, Carousel 3. If you don't, you can check those out ahead of time. So I can click on this placeholder 1, and in my properties panel, it's a quick way to relink that through the sources. Grab this and hit Carousel 1. There we go. Carousel 2, same type of thing. Carousel 2, click this image here, my Carousel 2 image, and so on. Now you could also use a stack on the live view and replace that, or type that pathway in by hand. Now one last thing I need to add is to make these fluid. So if I click to the right of MX Auto for each one, it's my first carousel. Image class, if I click to the right here, hit space, and type FLU image fluid. We want these to be fluid. And I can do the same with this one down here. And down here. Space. Image fluid. Here we are. Also, so I have my 3 images in there. I've made them fluid, very important. And so don't get cropped strangely. Now I can change the text. There's 2 headings per image. I can say this, call this daily special. Two for one. I can call this one award winning. Full of flavor. Whatever, you get the point. You can type in whatever you want for these, or just leave them as placeholders. Here's my third one. Catering in carry out. Call now. Good. File, save all. This will also place in a placeholder image in your images folder. Let's check this out online, see if it's working. Here's my contacts. Let me go to my catering page. And there it is. And it should resize everything to fit the best it can in the slider window. So looking pretty good, pretty good. So just a simple way to add some interactivity.